Hi, it's your movement docs, Nolan and Dom. Today we are continuing to talk about thoracic extension and how to avoid that hunchback, forward shoulder and neck carriage. So this particular video is going to be a teeny bit more advanced, or the exercise is more advanced. We call this exercise, what is it called?
Well, people like to call it the wall thoracic bridge. It's a big, hard thing to say. We like to call it the matrix.
And you'll see why in a moment. So Nolan, because he loves matrix, who doesn't, is going to demonstrate what it is supposed to look like, and I'll talk about what it's supposed to feel like. All right, so Nolan is going to stand close to the wall, but not too close. If you are familiar with a yoga pose where you kind of put your hands on the wall and move down and start to create a wheel, that's kind of like that, but not quite as advanced. So Nolan is going to place one of his hands on the wall. Do it really nice and fast so it looks impressive.
So this is why we call it the matrix. It's like Keanu Reeves dodging those bullets in the matrix. So this is how it looks if we do it fast, okay?
That's right, and what is happening here, Nolan is creating extension through his hips, but also through his thoracic spine. Do not create this move through this exercise if you feel pain in your low back region. So if you do feel uncomfortable, I really want you to go back to some of our other videos that we filmed on this topic specifically. They are equally effective and awesome, maybe without a great name.
Yeah, cool. The name's not as cool, but let's go over this slowly so you can actually get this done right. All right, so one hand's gonna go on the wall, feet are gonna stay facing forward, twist toward the wall, place a hand on the wall, fingers facing down. Okay, so get the twist first, the rotation, and then you're basically gonna go into a back bend. So chest lifts up toward the ceiling or to the sky as you place your other hand on the wall, fingers facing down as well. You can try to look at your hands, and then you're gonna roll off on the other side. The fingers are facing down as well, and then release, twisted toward the other side. And then you can reset that whole thing and start over. Place that same hand back on the wall, fingers facing down, twisting toward that hand. Take that back bend, both hands on the wall, fingers facing down, and then roll back up on the opposite hand, fingers, or hand stays on the wall, fingers facing down, and then repeat.
That's it.
That's the matrix. So like us, follow, subscribe.
And be body-wise.